morning, everyone. At the typical holiday parties, there are plenty of drinks made and available for guests that are attending. Today, I will teach you how to make a simple, elegant beverage called the Sleeping Beauty. Although a glass of wine or a bottle of beer is a great drink, I will show you how to make an elegant, great tasting beverage. If ever hosting a party, this would be a great option to serve as a cocktail. The Sleeping Beauty has simple ingredients. It is very easy to construct and looks elegant enough to serve at a fancy holiday gathering. There are a few simple ingredients that we will need in order little malfunction there. There are a few simple supplies that we will need in order to make this beverage. In order to make this cocktail, we will need Hypnotic, Kinky Liqueur, a lemon lime soda, I chose 7-Up, and a regular vodka, I chose Sky, you can use any, and ice. While these aren't typical party drink ingredients, this unique mixture will provide guests with an appealing flavor. You will also need a cocktail shaker, a regular tall glass in order to mix the appropriate mixtures, and in order to pour the final product in, you'll need a spoon as well. Now that we've gone over what we need to make the drink, the Sleeping Beauty, now we'll go over how to actually construct it. This elegant cocktail is easy to construct. First, we start off with 3 to 4 cubes of ice. We'll place those in the bottom of our tall glass. I'm going to use 3. And then we start with the Hypnotic. We're going to pour about 1.5 ounces in, give or take a little bit. And then we're going to use our shaker. Take the lid off, put it down tightly into the glass, as tight as it can go, and then give it a little shake. This is just to chill the beverage over the ice. And pour it back into, let it drain into the shaker part. Replace the straining lid onto the shaker. Choose a cocktail glass. I'm going to use this one for these purposes. And we'll strain the mixture that we just had into the bottom of the glass. Remove the lid, discard the ice, and this is our first layer. Great. Now we'll move on to make the second layer. Pour this out on the spoon. We're going to do the same as we did before. First, we're going to start off with 3 to 4 cubes of ice. I'm going to go with 3. Now we'll use our Kinky Liqueur, and we're going to pour about 2 ounces in on top of the ice like we did with the Hypnotic, give or take. Probably a little bit more, but it's okay. We're going to use a splash of the lemon lime soda that we have, and then a splash of the regular vodka. The regular vodka is used just to create the layers so that way they don't mix when you pour them on top of each other. We're going to do the same as we did before with our shaker. We're going to put it right on top, very tightly onto the glass. Give it a little shake, and then put it over, leaving the drink in the bottom of the shaker. Our straining lid on. Now we are going to create our top layer. of our beverage. We use a spoon, put it right on top, and slowly let the mixture flow out and over onto the top layer, which hopefully it will stay. And there you have it. It's supposed to be. We have now created the Sleeping Beauty. The last thing that we now have to worry about is enjoying our nice, tasty beverage. This beverage can be served at a party or for any occasion. It's not only a great tasting drink, but it's very simple to make as well. The colors of the drink, after being mixed properly, should be a light blue on the bottom with a top layer of light pink on top. With a layer of light pink on top. This will make your party guests more likely to pick this beverage over the normal beer or wine, as it is more appealing. The name of the beverage, the Sleeping Beauty, is appealing not only to guests by the way it looks, but it also relates to their inner child. In learning how to make the Sleeping Beauty, we've covered utensils needed, how to construct it, and the way the beverage can appeal to your guests. The adult beverage contains simple ingredients, it's easy to construct, and it's appealing to the eyes. And anybody want to tell us how it tastes?
Oh, it's wonderful.
The next time you host a holiday party, you can impress your guests with this new, simple, great tasting, and very appealing beverage.